Our luminous domes provide an inspiring canvas for the imagination. Here are some ideas shared by our clients on how to outfit your dome home. Our dome homes come in sizes ranging from 16 to 44 feet in diameter. Our 16-foot dome offers 200 square feet of floor space. It can easily house your queen-size bed, leaving ample space for your bedroom furniture. The 16 tall also has 200 square feet of floor space, but with 2 feet of added height, it can accommodate a standard pre-hung door. Our 20-foot dome has a footprint of 300 square feet. Since this tiny home-sized dome measures 12 feet high, it can easily accommodate a sleeping loft to extend your square footage. The 24-foot dome is the size of a small apartment with the floor area of 430 square feet. A 14-foot ceiling height allows an even larger loft to be installed. Our 30-foot dome is the size of the average one-bedroom apartment at nearly 700 square feet. Our 36-foot dome has a footprint equal to a standard 2-bedroom home with just over 1,000 square feet. The 44-foot dome has a floor area of over 1,500 square feet. Your options are limitless, whether you would like a variety of split levels in different rooms or one beautiful open layout. Please hit the subscribe button below to continue learning about our geodesic domes.